Hello and welcome to Lou Bortone's Video Tips in 20-minute flash briefings. This series is going to bring you quick briefings and quick info that you could put into action right away. And we're going to start with Online Video 2020, how to get video ready for 2020. So let's first start with why do video in 2020? Well, video is the single most engaging tool to connect with your audience. Video builds know, like, and trust faster than any other platform, and video accelerates the sales process and generates revenue for you and your business. In fact, Vidyard asked recently, how do you most prefer to learn about a new product or service? And vast majority, 68%, said they would prefer to learn about a new product or service through short videos. This is a great way to deliver your information, promote your products and services. And if you need more proof, just look at the fact that more marketers are using video content than ever before. 87% of marketers now use video. And as we just mentioned, consumers love video as a learning tool, and 68% prefer to learn with short videos. Additionally, 83% of marketers say video is the best tool for return on investment, and 87% of consumers want to see more videos from brands. You've got to be doing video if you want to stay relevant and competitive. So another Vidyard study also asked, what are the most challenging obstacles for video marketing success? And 44% said lack of an effective strategy. I always tell my students and clients that you've got to have a video marketing strategy. Others said inadequate video budget. I don't really buy that because you can do low or no budget video. 40% said lack of compelling content. I will tell you how to get tons of ideas for your videos at the end of this presentation. So again, I don't think that there's a lot of great excuses for not doing video now, because the playing field has been leveled and it is so much easier to create video now than it was a few years ago. So here are a few newbie tips. Let's say you're just starting out, you don't know exactly where to begin. I tell my students and clients to start with the low-hanging fruit that is Facebook Live. Facebook Live is low tech, it's low pressure, it's come as you are, it's on the go. Again, technically very simple to do. There's no excuse not to start with that. You can also consider off-camera options. If you're a little camera shy, you can start with screen sharing or animation or whiteboard videos. Or you can do a Zoom interview to get some practice in with video. That if you do an interview with another person, you've sort of got somebody to share the stage with. It makes it much, much easier. Also, start with the camera you have, which is most likely on your mobile phone. Today's iPhones and Androids, amazing video quality with the cameras that they have in the phone. Also, decide whether to do a quick video versus a keeper video. I'll say more about that in a moment. But briefly, quick videos are sort of those on-the-fly videos like Facebook Lives. Keeper videos are more like your homepage videos and sales page videos, and videos that are going to have some shelf life, videos that are going to build your brand. You may want to hire a pro for those types. And of course, the biggest newbie tip of all is just freaking start. Done is better than perfect, even when it comes to video. Now, we mentioned quick videos versus quick keeper videos. I like to make that distinction. Quick videos are quick tips. Maybe you're putting a quick YouTube series on YouTube. It may be testimonials. It could be at events or conferences, sort of on the go. And again, it could be Facebook Live. Keeper videos, on the other hand, are branding videos, videos that you have on your home web page, product demos, sales page videos, speaker reels, etc. So you can understand the distinction between those two types of videos, so you know what to do going in. Let's also talk a little bit about quality versus quantity. Now, when it comes to quality versus quantity, content is still king and more important than quality. So focus on your message. Having said that, quality has become more important, but content still rules. And again, when you're thinking of quality and quantity, Think of your quick versus keeper videos. Quantity is more important for visibility because more videos means more awareness and more exposure. I tell my clients to try to post to YouTube at least once a week or create a video once a week that you can put on YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, or Instagram. Moving right along, on camera versus off camera. This is another good distinction to make for videos. On camera videos, obviously, if you're on camera, might be your welcome video on your homepage. It might be a frequently asked questions or tips series. It could be your about me video. Again, Facebook Live or live streams, you tend to be on camera for those. And of course, interviews or testimonials. On the other hand, off-camera videos, I sometimes refer to these as bad hair day videos. You can do webinars, you can do tutorials, you can do demos, animated videos, explainer videos, screencast videos like on Camtasia, or what we're doing here, a lovely off-camera video on PowerPoint to video. All right, I'm often asked, what are the biggest mistakes when it comes to online video? Well, the first is not getting started because it really is easier than you think. So don't get hung up on the perfection trap. It doesn't have to be perfect. Another mistake is not repurposing your existing content. You can turn blog posts, articles, podcasts, all of that can be turned into video content pretty easily. You've already got the IP or intellectual property, so why not turn it into video? Another mistake is getting stuck on one style, like doing just on-camera videos. What you have to do is find your video sweet spot. That means the type of video that you can do easily and quickly. Again, for me, I like PowerPoint to video. It's really quick for me. I can deliver a lot of information in a short amount of time, and I don't have to be on camera. Another mistake is not distributing your video across multiple platforms. If you have a video, you can put it not only on YouTube, but also on Facebook, LinkedIn, your website, and if it's under a minute, in most cases, even on Instagram. So distribute your video across multiple platforms. Another big mistake is leaving money on the table by not marketing with video because, as I mentioned at the top, video accelerates the sales process. Single biggest mistake, not having a video marketing strategy or plan. This is something that I help my clients with. Again, you've got to begin with the end in mind and have a video marketing plan. So I was also asked recently about who's crushing it with video. Well, believe it or not, it's a kid. A kid. Ryan Toy's review on YouTube is absolutely killing it. This kid is doing toy reviews. He's got 22 million subscribers and almost 2 billion views. Pretty damn amazing. I think another group of folks who are really doing a great job on video and on YouTube in particular are the late night talk shows like Fallon, Colbert, and Kimmel. For example, Jimmy Fallon, on a good night, he'll have 3 million viewers on his show on NBC. However, Jimmy Fallon takes a video, in this case, an Ariana Grande lip sync video, puts it on YouTube, and right now has 139 million views. That's a lot more than the 3 million he gets every night on TV. And you have your usual suspects like Coca-Cola, Nike, Apple, Lyft doing those Chance the Rapper undercover videos. So there's a lot of people who are being very creative and doing really well with video. Now, again, really the final bit of advice here, or the best bit of advice I can give you is if you want more views for your videos, make better videos. Simple as that. If you want more views, make better videos. So before we wrap up, we still have a couple minutes in our 20-minute flash briefing. Let's share a few stats with you. I like to talk about your 5 must-have videos. This isn't really a statistic, more of a tip really. But those 5 that I often mention are your homepage video, YouTube tips. You've got to have a presence on YouTube. Live video, maybe it's Facebook Live, maybe it's a regular live podcast, vodcast. Video email, great way to engage with prospects and clients. And an About Me video, which may be on your About page, or it may be a speaker reel or a highlight reel or a portfolio reel. Those are the 5 I would do first. Once you've got those videos, in many cases, you can distribute that video to Facebook, LinkedIn, promote it on Twitter, put it on your own website or blog, obviously YouTube and or Vimeo. You can send your video out in an email, and if it's under 1 minute, you can put it on Instagram. So there are many channels to get you tons of visibility with your video. In my book, Video Marketing Rules, How to Win in a World Gone Video, I talk about the 7 steps to video success. So real quick, those are video purpose, your video goals. We talked about having a strategy. Video premise is your message. Video production is whatever equipment that you need, and it may not be much. Video platforms, again, that's finding your video sweet spot, on camera versus off camera, live video versus recorded video, etc. Number 5 is video promotion, where you share and distribute your video. 6 is video power, where you can leverage and repurpose your video. And finally, video profit is where you monetize your videos. If you want to get deeper into any of that, check out my book, Video Marketing Rules, on Amazon.com. And last but not least, here are 21 quick tips, rapid fire tips for video. Number 1, relax. It's not brain surgery. It's only video. Be yourself. Have fun with it. Keep it simple. Find the shortest distance between you and a finished video. Streamline the process and make it as easy as possible. And remember, the more you plan and prep, the better your video will be. You can use a script, an outline, a storyboard, whatever you want to do. You've got to plan your video, and that will make a better final product. Number 4, pick your platform. Find your video sweet spot. Determine whether you prefer live versus recorded videos, on camera versus off camera. What is your preferred platform? Number 5, remember that it's not about you. It's never about you. It's always, always, always about them. So always ask, what does my viewer need most from me right now? We mentioned this earlier, but done is better than perfect. Work backwards from the result. Reverse engineer your video and begin with the end in mind. Another quick tip, be benefit oriented. Again, you've got to ask what's in it for your viewer. Emphasize benefits and results in your videos. Another one is meeting your viewers where they are. Again, this is staying with the theme of being viewer-centric or viewer-focused. You should meet viewers where they are in terms of the content you're providing and the platform you're using. If your audience is an older audience, a more mature audience, don't waste your time on TikTok and Snapchat. Go where your viewers are. Repurpose, repost, and recycle. Most of your video content can be used over and over again on different platforms at different times, so repurpose everything. Also, experiment, try new tools, new formats, new platforms, new ideas. Don't be afraid to fail. That's how you find the gold in your videos. Another one is promo your promo. Promote, promote, promote. The internet is crowded and noisy, so you really have to promote. Another tip for you, up the quality. Now, I said earlier, content may be more important than quality, but quality still counts. So do whatever you can to enhance the quality of your videos. And keep in mind that a little editing goes a long way. Try to find the right tool for the job. There are tons of tools out there for video. So the trick is finding the appropriate tool for the type of video you're creating. Oftentimes the best tool is the simplest tool, like doing videos with your smartphone. Include just one clear and compelling call to action on your video. Don't confuse your viewer with all kinds of different requests. Stick with one direct, clear call to action. Try to drive your traffic back to your real estate, your website, whether your video is on Facebook, YouTube, or another platform. At some point, you want to drive that traffic back to the platform you control, which is your website or blog. Think small. Most videos are viewed on small screens and mobile devices, so keep that in mind when you're creating your video. Also keep in mind that many videos play without audio initially, like on Facebook, so add captions to your videos whenever possible. When you're planning your videos, think in terms of themes or series, like this series of 20-minute briefings, my Tips in 20 series. Find your video happy place. You should create a dedicated space for your videos, whether it's your desktop computer in your office, another appropriate spot. You want to find a place where you can go and create your videos anytime. And number 21, last but not least, just freaking start. When it comes to video, the best advice is simply to begin. Start where you're at and get going. If you would like those 99 video content ideas I mentioned earlier, just go to loubortone.com/ideas and you can download the 99 video content ideas PDF, and you'll get it immediately and you will never run out of things to talk about on video, because we give you 99 different video topic ideas to create your videos. Last but not least, if you'd like to get a copy of Video Marketing Rules, you can find that on Amazon, or you can go to loubortone.com/rules. So thank you very much. This has been Tips in 20 with Lou Bortone, and we will catch you next time. Bye for now.